Hi, I'm Pierre Sullivan. I'm from the Department of Mechanical and Industrial Engineering, and I have a background in turbulence and experimental fluid mechanics. I'm very confused. I'll be talking about some of the changes that I've done to the MIE 100 course over the last 5 years with the goal of improving understanding of certain difficult materials, for example, vibrations and rigid body kinematics. My favorite is Control-Alt-Delete, and when everything goes wrong, it's nice to have something that gives you a clean reset. I was an undergraduate for the first time in 1984, and I had a better calculator than most undergraduates have today. And I think one of the things that concerns me is we haven't kept up with the times. And so one of the things that I have been doing is trying to look at tools and techniques that might improve learning and also deliver it in a better way than has been done in the past.